Xiaomi's next foldable flagship is starting to look very real, and if the latest leak is accurate, the company could be preparing its most ambitious foldable yet. But there's one catch that might leave fans disappointed. Fresh information from reliable Chinese tipster Digital Station suggests that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 5 is moving steadily toward launch, and many of the specifications from earlier prototypes have apparently remained unchanged. That's usually a good sign, because it means Xiaomi is becoming confident in the final hardware. The biggest highlight starts with the display. The Mix Fold 5 is rumored to feature a massive 7.5 to 7.6-inch folding screen paired with what Xiaomi calls seamless crease technology. If this claim holds up, the visible fold line could become even less noticeable, creating a more immersive tablet-like experience when the device is unfolded. But Xiaomi isn't stopping at the display. According to the leak, the company is embracing a minimalist, runway-inspired design philosophy. In simple terms, expect a cleaner, slimmer, and more premium-looking foldable with fewer visual distractions and a stronger focus on elegance. Then there's the camera system. The leak once again points to a powerful 200-megapixel main camera. Earlier database listings already hinted at the use of Samsung's S5 KP5 sensor, and this latest report reinforces that expectation. If Xiaomi delivers strong image processing alongside that sensor, the Mix Fold 5 could become one of the most capable foldables on the market. Battery life also appears to be getting a major upgrade. The device is expected to pack a battery close to 6,000 mAh, which is impressive for a foldable smartphone. Wireless charging is reportedly included as well, addressing one of the features users increasingly expect from premium flagship devices. Durability could receive attention too. The leak claims the Mix Fold 5 will feature full water resistance, something that remains relatively uncommon in many foldable phones. A side-mounted fingerprint scanner is also expected to return, offering fast and reliable unlocking. And now comes the part many fans won't like. According to the tipster, the Mix Fold 5 could launch at around 10,000 yuan. That translates to roughly $1,380 and represents a noticeable increase over the Mix Fold 4, which debuted at 8,999 yuan. In other words, Xiaomi may be giving buyers a more premium foldable experience, but they'll likely have to pay significantly more to get it. At this stage, Xiaomi has not officially announced a launch date. However, earlier reports indicate a Q3 2026 release window, and with the prototype reportedly locked in, more leaks and confirmations are expected to arrive very soon. So the question is simple. If Xiaomi delivers a crease-free display, a 200-megapixel flagship camera, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, water resistance, and its new Xring O3 chipset, would you be willing to pay the higher price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.